In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Arduino software. So first thing you want to do is go to Google and search for Arduino download and go to the first site and just press on it. And just make sure you're inside arduino.cc. This is the main site of Arduino. It's a free software, okay? It's an open source. You can download it for free. And on the right side here, okay, you can see there are couples of softwares. So this is for Windows, here for Linux and for Mac. So just choose the right one for you. And I downloaded this Windows one, and you can download for Windows app. I never used this one, so I downloaded this one. So this is the regular Arduino IDE, and this is the latest version for now for this date. And you can download the latest Arduino, of course. You want to download the latest one, and not just this version. So this version is the latest for now. So go on and download the latest Arduino's software version. Okay. So I already have an Arduino, an old version, so I will just show you how to install it. So this is the what I downloaded it from the site. Just press twice on it. Yeah, so it says that I've already have an Arduino version. So yeah, okay, let's just go on and install it. I want to install it on in the same place. So you might not be doing this because if you don't have an Arduino already. So this is just for me. Okay, so this is what you should see when you press twice on this Arduino software, and just leave it as it is and press next, and this is the same place. Okay, so we got back when it's done, and this is how it looks like when it's done installing. So it's completed. Just press close here, and I can go here to the desktop and I can see this. If you don't see it, you can go on and type search, just search for it inside your PC. So I'll press twice on it and let's see how it goes. So let's see. Yeah, so I have board packages that I put it inside. Let's just press yes. This is just for me, and I need to update them because I will show you in a second how you install these folders, and this is actually something that we should do together. Okay, so we just done this one, and because we are using Adafruit board for the sound board is from Adafruit. We need you need to install the folders for the soundboard, so you will be able to control with your Arduino the soundboard. So what you want to do, go to Sketch here and go to include libraries and manage libraries. Now this window is for installing libraries, and in most cases it's sometimes it's adding even an example project, so it's really nice. You can download whatever you need. Let's just go and see what I installed already, and most of them for developing. So I'm actually making the PCBs. I designed them and put in Arduino on the PCB, and I'm using these folders, some of them. and some of them, I just downloaded them so I can see example projects, and this is how I learn. You need to install this one, Adafruit Circuit Playground. So I have to update. You need to press here on install. So just go on and install, and this is it. After you install it, you will have all the folders for everything that Adafruit has. I will just go on and update, and this is it for now. Now you have an Arduino software. All the 3D parts for the arm. So these are the first 3D parts. Now you have everything under the description. I added all the 3D parts for the arm. On the next lectures, I will talk with you about the 3D parts for the hand and the 3D parts for the rubber band gun. And I added all the files inside the descriptions. Okay, so you can download all the files. Now I made this 3D parts. If you want, another, I don't know, bionic arm, you can go on and download it from thingiverse.com. You have, other designers there, and they have their own designs. You can use them, and it's a free site, okay, for 3D printed models. And okay, so let's talk about the parts. Now you have these two parts. Okay, as you can see, my 3D printer failed a bit here, but I'm good with it. Okay, so I have a small failures here. Now if you have a better 3D printer, so good for you. My 3D printer is old, and this part is great, as you can see. So this is going to be on your arm. Okay, it's going like this, and you can actually, it need to go all the way in. I mean, you don't need to put it all the way in, but you can fit it to your arm, to the length of your arm, by just pushing it in and out. And because of the failure here, so it's only, I can only push it like I don't know, it's like 2 centimeter, but I don't need more than that, so that's fine for me. If you have a failure, you can go on and print it again. And okay, so this is the first parts. You can find all the parts in the description, as I said. This is the next part. Okay, so this part is going to be just like that. Okay, and this part also failed a bit, but it's okay. Okay, just for the just for me to to show you how to connect everything. So this is going like this. So your elbow is going to be right here. Okay, so if you put your hand inside, okay, so this is going on your elbow, so you can rotate your hand. Okay, so you can rotate your hand, you can move your hand everywhere. And okay, so these are 3 parts. Now we have more parts. We have this part. Okay, as you can see, it's a different color, and you can print it with the same color. I just I didn't have all the filament, so the filament just done, so I had to print it with a different one. So this is going right here. So I'm using this part, just I will maybe put the electronics here. Okay, so and then I will close this cover, okay, with a glue gun. Okay, so this is this part. It's going right here. Okay, so this is the bottom, this is the top, and this is the next parts. Okay, So this tree is what I call the hatch. Okay, it's like a a door opening. So this is covering this tree. It's going to be like this. Okay, this way, and we're going to put the rubber band gun just like this right here on the top, and this will cover the rubber band. And what I want to do is, on this rubber band we have one servo, 360 degrees servo, and right here you have 3 moving parts. So you will have one servo here that open it, but before you open this one you need to open these 2, so it will open to the sides, or you can do this kind of opening. We will try to do this one, okay, so it looks more cooler. And so this one will open, and then this one will go up, and then you will see the motor start shooting the band guns. Okay, and this part is going to be right here. So just opening and like shooting lasers and stuff. You can do whatever you want. You can put lights, you can, I don't know, you can just you just can connect it. Now you will have another regular servo here, so it will just open it a bit, and we'll close it depending on your hand rotation. And this is it. This is all the parts. Now you have on the description, I wrote you how to print them. If you need to rotate them, if you need to print it like this or like this, so I wrote you how to print them. So go on and look on this, because some of the parts here I printed like 3 times until I found the right angle to print. If you know 3D printing, you can print anything on every angle. So for example, this part you can see by the lines here that I printed this way. So this part was sitting like this. I tried to to print it like this, like standing, but it failed many times, and you have too many supports here to put. So I was just printing it like this, and I wrote you how to put what you need to do, do with the angles. So just go on and look on this. So this part, for example, I was trying to print it like to the side, or like standing with too many support here, too much support. So I was printing it just like standing, and then it was okay. Now this one, as you can see, it's not so smooth because I put a brim here. Now if you know 3D printing, you know what brim is. So it's just holding, it's making a little surface here, and then it's printing on the surface, so it's holding the model like this. Okay, so it will be easier for it to print. And there wasn't any support here, so you can see it's kind of perfect. And as I told you, my printer is really old, so I have small failures here, but mostly it's great. Okay, and you can work with this, and that's it for now. And I'll see you on the next lecture. I will explain you on the 3D parts for the hand and the 3D parts for the rubber band gun. I will show you everything, and that's it for now, and thank you.